bit more there.
Oh.
Very good. Very nice.
Wow.
Good.
I mean, oh.
Very good. So it's really just about getting more mobility and motion within the foot. You don't have to be as specific so much as like the spine. Good. This foot's definitely better, but you feel you're restricted there. A little higher there. There we go. Let it relax. How's the low back feel?
Definitely better. I feel more like range of motion. Definitely way better to take on New York tomorrow.
There we go. There we go. How do your feet feel? Because you weren't expecting that one.
No, I wasn't expecting that. They feel so much like lighter.
That will take tension off your low back as well, right? Every time we step, all that weight has got to go through the whole body.